Welcome back friends, you're watching Tech Unbox Pro, and today we are going to explore one of the most exciting smartphones of the year, the Infinix 13 Pro 5G. If you are searching for a powerful 5G smartphone with premium features at a competitive price, this video is going to help you a lot, so watch till the end. The Infinix 13 Pro 5G comes with a modern and premium design that looks and feels like a true flagship phone. The slim body, glass finish, and refined camera module give it a very stylish look. Infinix has clearly focused on design this time, making the phone attractive for users who want both performance and style in one device. Talking about the display, the Infinix 13 Pro 5G features a large 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This display delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth scrolling. Whether you are watching YouTube videos, playing games, or using social media, the viewing experience feels smooth and premium. The high refresh rate also makes gaming and daily usage much more enjoyable. Now let's talk about performance. The Infinix 13 Pro 5G is powered by a powerful 5G chipset, designed for fast performance and efficient multitasking. You can easily handle heavy apps, gaming, and daily tasks without lag. Games run smoothly, and the phone stays well optimized even during long gaming sessions. This makes it a great choice for gamers and power users. Camera lovers will really appreciate this smartphone. The 200-megapixels AI main camera delivers sharp details, excellent colors, and strong dynamic range. Whether you capture photos in daylight or low light, the results are impressive for this price segment. The front camera is also well optimized for selfies and video calls, making it ideal for content creators and social media users. Battery life is another strong point. The 6000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day with heavy usage, and the fast charging support ensures you don't have to wait long to power up your phone. This is perfect for users who are always on the move. To conclude, the Infinix 13 Pro 5G is a complete package offering a premium display, powerful performance, excellent camera, and long battery life. It is truly one of the best value for money 5G smartphones available right now. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.